Sometimes the best way to reset is to wash the day away. This is my moment, my wind down, and it starts with Osea's Ocean Wave Cleanser, my favorite step in my double cleanse routine. It's a lightweight bi-phase cleansing oil that melts away makeup, impurities, and excess sebum without stripping my skin. Just nourishment, just softness. And it's packed with ingredients from the sea like Undaria seaweed, rich in amino acids, antioxidants, and nutrients that help mineralize and deeply hydrate. Next, I go in with the Ocean Cleanser, a refreshing gel that balances and smooths with every wash. It's formulated with camelina oil rich in omega-3s to moisturize and condition, and bisobalol, known for its calming properties, to gently soothe the skin. Together, this double cleanse leaves my skin feeling unbelievably soft, balanced, and ready to rest. Osea's clean, clinically tested skincare from the sea has become a part of how I honor myself at the end of a long day. If you're ready to make a wind-down routine something sacred too, try this double cleanse. You'll feel the difference. And don't forget to use my code WatchChrissyWord10 to save, because taking care of you is always worth it.
Wasn't the only one. Gone when the table turned. He had to break, but whenever I got lonely, I needed some advice. He gave me a show.
This week, I chose me, not because everything was done, not because the to-do list was empty, but because I was running on empty, and I didn't need permission.
Is mine. A friend became the love of my life. You are my friend, love of my life. I can't depend, love of my life. Without you, baby, feels like I sampled true love.
As women, as moms, as wives, as women with dreams and deadlines and dishes to wash, it's easy to forget ourselves in the mix. We carry so much and we do it with love, but sometimes we forget we're allowed to sit down too. So I slow down. I let the world move how it moves, and I stood still. I gave myself a moment to breathe, to recharge, to feel like me again. Not as the mom, not the wife, not the business owner, just me. Just Chrissy.
Words are very nice, but that is all behind me. 'Cause now there is no other. My love is his and his is mine. My friend became the love of my life. You are my friend, love of my life. I can't depend, love of my life.
And you know what? It felt good. Not because you pour into everyone every single day. Eventually you run dry.
You are my friend, love of my life. Do I captivate, my life. Your baby feels like a simple true love. Yeah,
I love it when she sings
love
to
of
me
my
just like that.
life. You rock my world, and I'll be boy, and I'll be girl, and it don't stop until the break.
And you know what? It felt good, because when you pour into everybody else every single day, eventually you run dry. This week, I didn't wait for the perfect time. I made the time because my peace matters, my mind matters, my body matters. It's Mental Health Awareness Month, and if that's not a reminder to slow down and check in with yourself, I don't know what is.
Please help me forget about him. He takes all my energy. Trapped in my memory, constantly holding me, constantly holding me. I need to tell you all the pain he's caused. I need to tell you I'm undone because I gotta find peace of mind.
Mental health doesn't always look like a therapy appointment or a journal full of affirmations. Sometimes it looks like sitting in silence or soaking in a bath or simply not rushing for once. It's in the little moments where we remember who we are. So if you're watching this right now, this is your permission slip to pause, to rest, to take care of you. Because when you take care of yourself, everything around you changes. You start showing up more with grace, more strength, more clarity.
A lasting relationship, not based on ownership. You love me despite myself. Sometimes I fight myself. I just can't believe that you would have anything to do with someone so insecure, someone so immature. I gotta find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible, the temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last? I gotta find peace of mind.
You can't carry your house, your family, your job, and your goals if you're running on low. You deserve peace. You deserve to feel like yourself again. You deserve joy even in the middle of chaos. So if this video reminds you, you matter too. Don't wait until you're burnt out to start loving on yourself. Start now. Start with the little things. Start with the small things.
Only me and you, only me and you, only me, only you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only make me your matter, make me your matter, make me your matter. Show me your side. Make me a blast, make me a blast. Give me one break, I need fair. Let to believe you, let to receive you. Give me something I'm not, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me, only you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you.
So, if this video spoke to you, if you have been in that space where it feels like everything's on your shoulders, leave me a comment. Let me know how you're showing up for you this week. Because I promise there's power in choosing you. And you're not alone in that choice. You're doing better than you think. You're stronger than you feel. And this week, I hope you choose you too. Bye.